welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another video. So I'm in the kitchen. I make breakfast. I'm gonna get this brilliant idea. I'm saying, why not try it? So I'm making breakfast. I just said that I'm making banana, plantain and yam with corned beef and mixed vegetable. But I'm gonna give Jason the banana and yam alone with nothing at all. I'm gonna just put it in the plate like that. I see how I'm gonna react. See if I'm gonna, I just want to see how I'm gonna react. I don't know if I'm gonna get a good reaction, because anything I give Jason, him just eat it. Him not complain over it. Even if it's small, him not gonna complain. So I gonna just give him, and I have to eat something, because I don't want him to say, so Andrea give me Anna eat and da. So I gonna just give him and see him reaction in the bathroom now. So I go tell him the breakfast ready, so he can hurry up, and I go set up the camera. So we just want to see him reaction, nothing else, just him reaction we work for. I think him in the bathroom, but him in the bed, I play a game, I play PUBG, and I watch video at the same time. I'm so fortunate. But I'm gonna try and set up the camera. Just set up the camera, which what he can show up on the dinner table, and just get him reaction. Play with my phone. Stop playing with me. It's nasty. Oh, I think we could just stuck. Put it somewhere I never expect. The only down part to this is that I'm not going to see what the phone I record, because I'm going to cover it up and leave out the camera alone. So I'm not going to see nothing on the screen. So hopefully the footage will not spoil. Let's go push where you set here. Jason, come eat.
You're welcome. This food in Swiss like a joke. Maybe I'm sitting still like that, man. City. Oh my God. Yes. Yeah. We better than pour the breakfast. Eh?
Me done.
Brother, I'm my
You look so.
why food look so? What kind of breakfast is that? A French? That's that's how we have food in that place. You have food. You look how much things in this something you say.
Jess, you can't just appreciate it. Just eat it something not eat and make.
Oh, what? No, when I babe, come here. No, babe. If I can't explain this, my work with you, babe. What I know?
Jess, just eat it something and be appreciative. See if it clear.
Pick up with power.
Jess, you make me feel bad. You make me feel bad now.
Babe, what kind of breakfast is a French or Europe or no, babe. Babe, alright. Bread and banana yam.
Baby, I
Alright,
never
I
know
gotta eat.
that make me feel
No, come, I
bad.
gotta eat. Come. Boy, I'm gonna feel good. Like me can't pray about this. No, but yeah, but this actually, be honest with me. I want type of breakfast is overseas. But this, babe, answer that. You don't have to tell me nothing more.
No, I mean.
So you would
just
invent yam, a starch, you try to get yam, banana and bread and cook it. Babe, I don't
I
care.
feel away though.
Babe, nobody feel away. Babe, what you feel away for?
Babe, come and prepare with breakfast. This is not even having a juice.
The juice only from the fridge?
No.
Alright, you take your water. Alright, what
Me
me?
not- me go for water for myself.
So what me put the pickle pan do? That me no know.
Just forget like a spice.
So the boy could have put the thing something in my night. Then you
Jason.
feel lazy, me do it, you know.
No, babe.
So the boy we can't eat the thing food night. We don't know where I try. We have tried very
Do what
healthy.
you do then, babe. Do what you do. You make me feel that way.
Babe, stop telling about fever. No, babe, just ask you. You're not explain to me right. We just sit banana.
Yes, I just breakfast me prepare.
You know you're not explaining yourself right. I just breakfast so.
Yes.
Alright, you tell me this now. Help me eat this now. What me I go put the pickle pan? Come on, babe, answer.
I don't want to
No, I'm
answer.
take a picture of this to blow. And I mean, how much years for the land? Oh, this name French, Europe. I know I'm gonna eat it though. I'm grateful regardless. Because you never have to make it. Babe, alright. You know what happened now. Check the bread. I'm gonna eat the banana and stuff.
I don't want any bread.
Me not who tells me you want the bread? When you serious now, me I eating you because as I say, you never have to make it. But me just don't know what kind of breakfast is. Why do people must take out actually though? Can't me don't know, you know. Just take out anything in it.
Gravy.
But the gravy is a water.
I eat that gravy.
Is that gravy? So about if me take out like this, then man.
Can't eat.
So be why you could have just you sure you want to put on things in there?
Just did I try to be creative.
Alright, baby, now we get feedback. Thanks, babe, I appreciate it. You know what I mean? I appreciate it, babe. That's alright.
Thank you.
Thank you. And if it was hot,
Yeah?
well, I tell you. I'll probably just thin food again.
That's never feel for any.
Maybe she's pregnant. May I actually say this a lot about me thing. Pregnant, babe? Babe, I'm pregnant. If you're pregnant, you can't tell me. You're pregnant? Because if I this fever, I eat me fever too. Babe,
Eat my fever.
you're pregnant.
No.
Alright. You don't need to
You
eat.
think I'm pregnant?
Babe, because you eat all type of weird shit. You must pregnant too.
It tastes nice.
It tastes healthy.
Okay.
If you did want to really eat healthy, though, you should put ketchup in there, but if I decide gravy, what I can do?
Thanks for understanding.
Okay. If you don't want to, what you want?
Banana and yum.
Maybe ask you one more time, I know you laugh. You're pregnant? Kind of so you're going to eat, you know? Probably have to go
You
ship
love
it.
that? You love it bigger?
Baby, no, I love anything with spicy. And at this alone, I can't do food, baby, because I try honor your breakfast. All of my ears.
You feel away?
Little bit, but babe, so that's why babe, that's why I eat that's why it's supposed to never happen anymore. We have to do without anyway.
You love me?
One thing go babe. See biggest insult yeah. Don't get a little pocket from him back again. Because I can't manage a little pocket.
Oh, you make me feel like I want to cry. It's actually a prank. I feel like I want to cry.
Right, babe.
I can't hold it no longer. I feel emotional. Babe, I want you to understand so them days are going to come though.
I now wish them.
No, I wish them, but it can happen.
So babe, you do all this one prank. I can't give me actual breakfast now.
Guys, I forgot fry up everything now because I never did want to
So
do
you
it.
never fry?
No. I never did want to do it and Jason smell it and say, no man. But me smell fry and Angel give me source of food. So I go fry up them there. I'll come back. But guys, me feel emotional. Me not lie. If you know what I just accept it like.
I mean,
Just scotch.
I don't know what to do right now. I can't. What?
Just scotch off your mouth for the pickle pepper already. I feel a way so I make that happen though, babe. Mess up your whole breakfast. Alright guys, so I finished fry up the corned beef. I could make guys, if me did fry up, if me did just make one thing and do everything one time, I know Jason would have smell it and he would have said, no, this not real. He enjoyed do something to me. So, yeah. I take out the bread because Jason I love bread for real. But me feel emotional. Like, let me tell you something. One day I go come when them stuff they gonna really happen. And I don't want me a wish on nobody. But at the same time, we have to learn to just, you know, it what we have and just go through. Because a life. And if not anybody there for real, that this is something I would eat and not even complain about. So yeah. I feel emotional though. I never know something did I go. Even though I'm laugh and stuff, I just never know something did I go like just eat it like that. And so finish fry up. Come babe, this is a real breakfast. It's there. Babe, me not like you surprise me though. Come here. Come here. Thanks for always understand.
But you're not answering my real question.
What?
You're pregnant?
No.
So no pregnancy symptoms we get a prank idea then?
No.
Misery, right? Even feel like more about that.
You better come and eat your breakfast with me. Come now, babe, get up now. I'm gonna eat your
You
breakfast.
take a certain energy if you get up and eat your breakfast one time, you know, not 2 times.
Eat your breakfast, man. Look there, look for your nice, clean breakfast we are getting now. You can say a word of prayer again.
God don't hear me first time.
I'm gonna share my breakfast now, guys. And never mind me here. I know it look weird and mad and all of that, but when I did edit the video a while ago, I saw one little spot penny bread. I mean, I said there is no way my bread can spoil because My bad bread there like last week. Luckily, me never did throw it away, so me come back, come look, cause me did just put it in the sink. It looked like it did spoil on the camera. Oh, see there, it have one black spot for real. Don't even know. Me probably gonna just throw it away though. Throw away the whole bag. But this is the end of my video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat. I know some say it. Alright guys, so this is the end of my video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 50K. Bye guys.